Hey everybody, it's Get Famous Friday and I am Christina Daves with another PR tip. So a month out, I always like to kind of give some ideas for content. So I want to give you some content ideas for May. Thinking ahead, these could be social media posts, these could be blog posts, and these could be local media pitches to your local newspapers, your regional magazines. You might be a little far out for the regional ones, depending, you'll have to really do some research in yours, but certainly local newspapers and local television. So some topics to think about for the month of May. It's Clean Air Month. Is there anything you can tie your business to that, related to that? Maybe there's things you do in your business to help that. Creative Beginnings Month, Family Wellness Month, Gifts from the Garden Month. This is great. International Business Image Improvement Month. What can you do to change your business image or help somebody else? Always really important in our community or in the United States, Military Appreciation Month. I love National Barbecue Month. This one's really at my heart. And I know a lot of people who watch this are inventors, but it's National Inventor Month. This is the time when we can really promote our inventions. National Pet Month. National Physical Fitness and Sports Month. There's a lot of health coaches out there, brick and mortar people who own gyms and yoga studios and fitness studios. So this is a great month for you to promote that. And it's Women's Healthcare Month. And then think in general, what's going on in the month of May. It's, we're right in the heart of spring, allergy season, Cinco de Mayo, kids are getting done with college, kids are wrapping up high school, graduation. What can you talk about, next steps for them, graduation, going to college, coming back from college, graduating from college, preparing for the future. So just wanted to give you some ideas to think about. Outside of the box thinking is always great. So if I can get you going a little bit early. So best of luck and happy pitching.